usually balance out your chest.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. So I don't look just completely top heavy.
You've got a great body for clothes. I mean, seriously.
What is with this cardigan? I mean, why are you wearing it?
She gets it now.
The ruffling and the fraying.
Fraying of the ruffle. This has been worn.
Good girl.
It looks like rodents have had at
But
it.
you didn't see it when I had the sweater on.
Once you see how hot you can look, you're not going to want to go back.
You gotta get one of this.
Alright, let's go.
Hop on out of here.
Oh my god, we didn't even talk about the embroidery.
You cannot do a clunky shoe. It makes you look very awkward, okay? So we want to go with a nice sleek one to match your stature. Just sleek and narrow.
And long and lean. And the idea of a real dress for evening, okay, we love the idea of this blue for you. Your eyes will pop. Nobody's business.
And if this were too low for you and you're feeling as though you're a little self-conscious, showing too much cleavage, you could always do